Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 of my favorite healthy breakfast meals things. None of these take a lot of effort. They're all very easy, pretty quick to just do in the morning. They're also all really yummy. And also they all include fruit, so they're healthy, they're easy, they're really yummy. And I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's go! Okay, so for this first recipe, this is so incredibly simple, but it's still one of my go-to breakfast things that I eat all the time. But I'm just cutting up an apple just into slices. And then I just toasted 2 pieces of bread, and I'm putting almond butter on them because I can't really have peanut butter, and almond butter is just great. Also, you could use gluten-free bread if you want to make this gluten-free, but then you just add it all together on a plate, and there you go. It's amazing, and I don't know why. It's so simple, but it tastes great. For the smoothie, I don't usually measure, but whenever I do measure, I do use half a cup of blueberries and then half a cup of strawberries, so just half a cup of each fruit in the blender. Also keep in mind the fruit is frozen, so then I add in 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. It just makes it taste so much better. Okay, then I add in oat milk. You could choose any other plant milk you want, or you could just use water. I usually end up using about a half a cup of oat milk, and I don't know why, it just makes it taste so much better. But then I just blend it all up. It's this beautiful purple color. It tastes great. It has lots of protein for you, and yeah, there you go. Just put it in a cute little mason jar. Add this amazing reusable smoothie straw, and there you go. So in the blender, I'm putting in 1 ripe banana and then a half a cup of oats. I have gluten-free oats, but just make sure they're regular, just rolled oats or whatever. Then I'm going to put in 2 eggs. I would usually use just, regular actual chicken eggs or whatever, but I can't have eggs, so I just have this just egg. Not really sure what it's made from. It works wonders in baking, so that's what I put in there. You're just going to blend it up in the blender. It might look a little unappetizing, but trust me, it's going to be delicious. Then just pour small amounts of the batter onto the griddle. Make sure it's not too big, because then it'll be really hard to flip, but just cook them until they're like golden brown. They don't take too long to cook, but they also don't cook super fast. But yeah, just flip them whenever you feel like they're good to go. And then once they're done, you can just put them on your plate. And this usually makes about 4 pancakes for me, sometimes 5, like 4 little small ones. But this tastes amazing. I usually put sometimes coconut yogurt and honey. But yeah, I love this recipe so much. It tastes so good. I make it all the time. It's fabulous. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down there by hitting the big red button, and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video. But that's it for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!